Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for liking and viewing and subscribing. I truly appreciate it. Today I will be making a creamy pumpkin soup, and that's just one of the ways we try to stay warm in these cold days. So on the weekends we try to do something like this. Today it will be cream of pumpkin soup. First, I have here 1 chopped onion. For close-up guide, I've already got the pots on, and I will be using some olive oil, and this is just to fry the onions up just a bit. Just enough to cover the base of the pan. So first I will add the onions, the garlic, so I'm just lightly frying the onions, letting them get nice and soft. Add the pumpkin. So just mixing it in, let everything get nice and coated. So I'll leave it to do this for a few minutes. I'll cover it up a little bit. So 2 minutes. Cover and let it just simmer for a little bit. So at this point, I will just have to give you a quick check. Looks good. I will add vegetable stock. So you just want the stock to cover. You want the stock to cover the pumpkin in here. I'll cover this and let this cook until the pumpkin is nice and soft and thoroughly cooked. So I'd say 5-10 minutes, and then we'll check it again. Okay, at this point, let's just, yep, pumpkins cook. And I'll turn this off. So now I'm going to transfer the cooked pumpkin into my blender. I'm doing this transfer because we don't want any accidents. Here we are. Okay. And what I will do is I'm going to pulse the pumpkin. Now I'm going to transfer the mixture back into the pan. So transfer it back into the pan, and at this stage we are going to just give it a taste. I will put it back on just for a light simmer, so very low fire. Let's taste. This looks good as is, and you can have it like this if you are lactose intolerant. Okay, I'll just add some black pepper, enough for your liking. This is just for taste. And single cream, just a teeny bit. Let's see. So let's just allow this to simmer for a little bit, and when I come back I will serve this. And voila, cream of pumpkin soup. You can serve this as an appetizer if you'd like, but today it is one of our warm remedies to the cold. Yeah, it's very cold, so we keep you warm. Thank you so much for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, and let's enjoy. Cheers.